A natural disaster emergency has finally been declared for several regions of Australia today, Sunday, March 9th, 2025. Understandably so, as the remnants of Cyclone Alfred have caused flash flooding in Hervey Bay, a coastal city in the Fraser Coast region of Queensland. Streets have turned into raging rivers, leaving some residents trapped in their homes or in vehicles that have been submerged.
This car, oh my gosh, and that's the street. I'm up to past my knees.
The remnants of Cyclone Alfred brought heavy rainfall and severe storms to areas from Hervey Bay and Urraween to Brisbane. With rainfall reaching 230 millimeters in just 3 hours, the floods have inundated homes, the Woolworths supermarket in Pialba, the Esplanade Resort, and the Hervey Bay CBD between Hervey Bay RSL.
Absolutely. And remember guys, if it's flooded, forget it. Look at these two poor souls. And there's another one up there. So glad I got through when I did.
The Queensland Fire and Emergency Services confirmed that crews across QLD have been called for 171 rescues since Sunday morning. Some residents even used kayaks to check on their neighbors who might be trapped. Meanwhile, cars swept away by the floods can now be seen floating across the city. This has undoubtedly been a tense moment, causing great anxiety among residents.